Hello friends, it's Isha Rathi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. You know, Sunday is a fun day for everyone, but I'm going to make it a story day for you. J.K. Rowling, who born up as an artist to write the Harry Potter's fantasy, she has a very distressed life. She described her life as she was as poor as it was possible to live in that modern Britain. So let's begin with that story. J.K. Rowling was born on 31st July 1965. She was a British writer, a philanthropist and a screenwriter. She has a great life, but she has to go through many distress pathways. Her book has 500 million buyers and now it became the most selling book in the world. So what is that way or what is that pathway that she has to cover out? After her mother's death, she becomes so distressful and was very distressed that what she has to do. She eventually met and fall in love with an aspiring journalist, that is George Arantes. She soon discovered that she was pregnant but had a miscarriage, and she got out of her friend's thought that her relationship with the Arantes. She finally married with him in October 1992. She gave birth to a baby girl, Jessica. Meanwhile, Arantes had grown aggressive and become very angry day by day. But the last straw came when the ugly fight is there. He hits J.K. Rowling and throws her out of the home, but without Jessica. Soon, she returned with the police to take Jessica back with her 2 series of Harry Potter. It means she already has that fantasy. She already has that thought that she has write the 2 series of Harry Potter. You know, she became homeless. She had nothing. Then she spent her that time with her sister and in brothers-in-law's home. They helped her a lot to have a house, or you can say an apartment. But finally, she has that smooth life that she was having with her husband. She tried to get very better, but she already has that thought that she has to write the Harry Potter. Then she spent her time in her brother-in-law's cafe because she has to feed her daughter. Then she later described her situation that she was as poor as it was possible to live in that modern Britain. She found herself so despondent, so angry because of her failure and the guilt that she hadn't provided to her daughter. After all these problems, she decided to commit suicide, and the thoughts are regularly hitting her. But she finally realized that she has to get out of her act because of her daughter that nobody else can do. Her outlook had improved when she decided to set her eye on a year teaching course. But the thought of a boy wizard imaginations of writing Harry Potter is still in her mind. Then, when she published her first book, the publishers rejected. But after 10 years, she became a billionaire. So you can see there is a pathway of 10 years. And you peoples gonna shut down your thoughts when you have to see the failure or you didn't success. So the success is there, but the time gap is very more. Now, the moral is, don't lose your hope. Keep trying and trying. If you are really dedicated to your passion, then at the end, the king is you. Thank you guys to see the video till the end, and I have told you that I will make a scary video on 2K subscribers, and if you like this video a lot, then I will make a spin wheel challenge. So keep liking it and keep subscribing the channel, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.